25 megapixel wide camera, but in this M50s they upgraded to 48 megapixel wide. The Samsung Galaxy A50s has triple rear camera and a single front-facing camera. The triple rear camera will be 48 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel depth sensor. And the selfie camera is 32 megapixel f2.0 wide camera, which is capable of recording 1080p at 30 fps. Now let's talk about the performance of the device. The chipset of the Samsung Galaxy S50s will be a Exynos 9610 10nm octa-core processor, and the GPU will be Mali G72 MP3. And for the internal storage, there will be two variants. One will be 464GB and other one will be 128GB. Now let's talk about the battery and connectivity. Samsung Galaxy A50s will come with non-removable lithium polymer 4000 mAh battery, which is capable of fast charging. And for connectivity, it has USB Type-C 2.0. Now let's talk about the price and release date. The price of the device will be around $500 and the release date is probably the next month. That's it for today guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.